Now, the first one that we have here is this one from MyFak Mini First Aid Kit. So I wouldn't say it's the smallest size, but you do have a front strap right over here. You do have patches to actually put here as well. On the back side, you have two button straps to attach stuff. And if you wanted, I believe that, yeah, you can fit straps underneath here as well. Now, if we go ahead and open this up, what I do appreciate about this is the organization of it. So what I mean by that is, as someone who's not really medical savvy, you can actually understand what inside the bag belongs or what's its purpose is for. You have superwash, you have gauze. Here you have mini topical stuff. You also have over here face shield mask. Now it is labeled, but it's not the best when it comes to informing you of when to use each of these items. But it does come with a good bunch. You can see here that you have scissors, more tape, a mini tool mod, hydration mod, different mods and such. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty decent first aid kit when it comes to backpacking. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one.